Welcome everyone, I'm N.R.T. and on today's video we'll be doing an unboxing video and installing video review video of this Garvee 3-point quick attach for this tractor. So Garvee reached out to me and wanted to know if I would do a review on their quick hitch. I said sure, so they sent it out to me to review, and I also got a discount code for you, which is N.R.T. 10 to save yourself 10% on your order of this. So let's go ahead and open it up. Section straps, cut the tape. Go ahead and open it up. I think I opened it up from the wrong side, but it's okay. Okay. First look at it. There it is. Put this over here for now. Bring it back over here. It'll be like that. Just like that. I'm going to bring you guys closer. I'm going to go ahead and attach the box blade from the tractor. So we're at the tractor. So you got the traditional hookup right here and the two down there. That can be hard sometimes. Gotta get a hammer. Be careful there, has a little pressure behind it. Now, should be pretty easy. All right. So from there, I'm going to go ahead and get the quick hitch. They are the wrong size pens, so I'm going to have to get some bushings for it, but it should be okay for now. not going on. Bushing's a little big. Huh. I have to get an adapter. I think this is category 1 and this tractor is category 2, so we're gonna have to get some adapters, and I'm gonna have to do it like that, I guess. Or if I ground down yeah, so it's not necessarily gonna work. I gotta get some parts and go from there. But it looks like it will. Indeed, though. Hook up to this part, though, it looks like. That's good. But gonna contact Garvee and see if they can send me the correct pens, or if they have the category 2 one. Their website does say category 2, 1, and 0, which is confusing. But I don't know if this was an error on my end or on their end, but I'll see and see if they can get it figured out. Either way, it's very nicely built. I will say that. It does look very heavy duty, but not gonna work without getting some stuff. Well, I'll go ahead and end the video here as I hook this back up, and catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, Garvee, for sending this out. I apologize we couldn't hook it up in the video. Get some adapters probably, or figure out what's going on here and see if we get this resolved. But